Product Variant Price Range. The Product Variant Price Range feature in FullStro allows you to manage price variations for product variants across specific date ranges. It will help by giving discounts for particular date ranges. After logging in to your FullStro account, navigate to Purchases, then click on List Product Variant Price Range. The list displays the following details: warehouse, the warehouse associated with the product, product price, the current price of the product variant, stock, the available stock quantity for the product variant, price range status. It shows the status of the price range. Action includes the button to add price ranges. Adding a price range. Steps to add a price range. In the Action column, click the Add Price Range button for the desired product variant. It's showing the warehouse where the product is stored, the name of the product variant, the current price of the product variant, the available stock. To add a price range, click the Add Price Range button. Fill in the following fields for each range. Date range, the beginning date to end date for the price range. Price, the price applicable for this date range. Repeat this step to add multiple date ranges by clicking on the Add Price Range button. To remove a price range, click the Delete button on the right side of the corresponding row. Once all price ranges are added, click the Submit button to save the price ranges.